played some Lightning Link tonight, and I had a lot of success. I was playing this new game where you can win 3 minis with 1 ball, 3 minors with 1 ball, and so on. So check it out. It turned out to be my biggest win so far of 2023. Speaking of, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you're enjoying the video. So this game is officially one of my new favorite games. Check out that minor on the upper left-hand corner. I was totally caught off guard and I wasn't recording yet when I landed that. I won't tell you yet how much that is, but wow, what a nice drop that ball was. Anyway, check out this game if you get a chance. It's a lot of fun. How do you like that? My first hand pay of the year. Just another reminder to please subscribe to my channel if you get a chance. I really enjoy making these videos for you all, and I hope you enjoy watching them. Thank you.